Suspended Aam Aadmi Party corporator Tahir Hussain, accused in the murder of an Intelligence Bureau employee, appeared in a Delhi court to surrender today. He's been charged with murder and arson after the body of Ankit Sharma was recovered last week from a drain in northeast Delhi's Jafrabad. This is one of the areas that was very badly hit by violence over the citizenship law. Now there you see the corporator being taken to the police station. Now Tahir Hussain, accused of rioting, arson and murder. His surrender plea now has been rejected. Akshay joining us on that story as well. Akshay, what other details do we have?
Well, the crime branch has now finally arrested Tahir Hussain. There was a long time between this entire case, between Tahir Hussain's name emerging in this entire case and now finally he being arrested. We saw that Tahir Hussain was termed as missing by the Delhi police. We saw that there were several attempts made by the Delhi police as well as other security agencies to nab Tahir Hussain, whose name was constantly coming in the entire case of violence in the northeastern part of the national capital. Tahir Hussain's residence, which is in the area of Khajuri Khas, which was approximately 300 to 400 meters away from the house of Ankit Sharma, the IB person who was killed and whose body was later recovered from the drain. We saw that the family of Ankit Sharma directly naming Tahir Hussain, the entire neighborhood naming Tahir Hussain of being complicit in the murder, in being complicit in the violence that had erupted in the area of Chandbagh, Bhajanpura as well as Khajuri Khas, one of the worst impacted areas of riots in the national capital. But now we saw today that Tahir Hussain in a very dramatic way emerged in front of the Rouse Avenue Special CBI Court in the national capital. But his plea for surrender in this entire case was rejected by Rouse Avenue Court, and then a team of crime branch left to apprehend Tahir Hussain, and now he is arrested by the crime branch, and now he will be probed in this entire case, in the case of violence as well as in the case of the murder of Ankit Sharma, the IB personnel. But what exactly are the details of this case will later emerge after a thorough inquiry is being made in this entire case, because several statements were coming in from Delhi police as well, which were contradicting the earlier statements of the police. Because in one statement we saw that the Delhi police claiming that there was a distress call made by Tahir Hussain and his family members, and he was rescued by the cops from his residence. But later there was a call, there was a statement which was given by the top cops in the Delhi police saying that Tahir Hussain was never rescued, and he is in fact missing in this entire case, and the Delhi police is looking since he is not to be found anywhere in the national capital.